this used to be my only wire stripping tool. And so for a piece of wire, I would have to do this, just like this. I'm not very good at it. Like that. And then like this. Darn it. Like that. And then pull it off. And that was how I would strip a piece of wire. Then I got this thing here. It's a TNT wire stripping tool, and I don't have a vise, but and I guess that makes it easier. But take a piece of wire, you stick it in the hole, just like that, and you just pull it through. Okay, yeah. It's easier if you straighten out the wire, because, yeah, bends and kinks and whatnot. So, then lop off a little, cut out a little starting spot. And it just peels right off. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but you see that red and yellow and purple glare on there? It's like a varnish. That will make your copper wire a number 2. They don't even go with number 1. They skip right to number 2. And last time I went to the scrapyard, that was 35 cents a pound less than Bare Bright. But what you do to get rid of that is you just take your gloves and you grab it real tight and pull. The story of my life. Yeah, you do that, and there you go, Bare Bright copper wire. There's my bucket of Bare Bright copper wire right there. That's number 2. That's number 2. That'd probably end up being number 2. And that's it for this little baggie of number 1. I think that's number 1. That's out of the air conditioner. There's a bucket of brass. It really is brass. Yeah, maybe I'll be going to the scrapyard on Tuesday. I'll let you know. Get to the copper.